Okay, I'm not sure when it cut off, but anyways, hey, so we've taken the pump off, or the oil reservoir cover off. Here is the filter. It doesn't look too bad, so, but we're gonna get back to it. Over here, this is the actual oil pickup, right down in there, and the pump is up and underneath of there. So you get a screwdriver, pry that out of there. It has a 90-degree angle to it. So I just kind of take and push that rubber off to the side, right here, like this. Once you got that pushed away like that, now you can just take and pop this out. I'm trying to do it so you can see. Hopefully you can see that. Just take and pop that piece out. There it is. That's the piece that goes in. We got that over there. And up underneath here is the oil pump. So it's got, it's a 5mm bolt. And I keep a bunch of these just for different ones, like that. So we're gonna end up using this one. That's a 5mm. I'm gonna take and put a socket on the end of this. So let me see if I can get this all set up. I'm gonna unscrew the nut. Maybe you can see this. Unscrew the nut. I need to have some the washers to press against in order to take the oil pump out. So there's the washers. Here's the screw. This is going to go pretty far up in here. I've done these before, so basically we're going to take and pull that out, and hopefully there's just going to be a big old clog sitting on the side of the oiler, because there are no kits. There is no worm drive. The worm drive is actually it's built into the pinion shafts that actually drive the head. So you can see what I'm doing here, guys. The bottom shiny piece right there, that's the oil pump. Here's a 5mm threaded bolt going up in there. Whoop, I need to loosen that up just a hair more. Hair more. Whoops. A little sticky. Okay. Just want to make sure I get plenty of thread up in there. And it's in there. Now this one happens to be an 8mm bolt. So now I'm just going to go and start turning that 8mm, the bolt, to take and pull this bad boy out of here. Need to move this. Can you still see? Yeah. Going like this. And we're really just kind of looking for some dirt, sawdust, whatever that's going to be inside that pump. I really don't see how pumps wear out, to tell you the truth. I'm not the world's authority on engineering, but it seems like it's a pretty basic principle. So I think as long as we get everything all cleaned out, put it back correctly, that we should be good to go. Okay, see how it's pulling that out? Can you see this? It's just each time I turn, it pulls that pump just a little bit farther down. And it's almost out. A couple more turns. Okay, there we go. That's the pump. And this right here is exactly what I expected to find. That's just sawdust that's clogging up the hole. If this can't get in there, then when it's spinning around, it can't pump. So that's basically it. I'm going to take and use the screw, and I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to pound this back in, and then we're going to come back and I'll spin it again and see if we can't get this bad boy pumping. So no parts required. It's just dirty. The filter did what it could, and it just ended up being what it is. So all right, guys, there's probably going to be whatever, a third part to this. So sorry about that, but got a crappy phone. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. I'm out.